Hello guys, 92 Green Z34. Um, I gotta do a beer review for you guys. Long day at work, so figure might as well get this one out of the way. I'm not necessarily looking forward to doing this one. Here's why. I'm reviewing Hurricane malt liquor, the one with the red H, the black label, and not high gravity. And I tried Hurricane High Gravity, and it was the worst malt liquor I've had to date. I could not stand it. If you guys like it, I'm sure some of you do. Um, yeah, that one is not for me. If I gotta have a high gravity beer, it's gonna be something like Steel Reserve. A lot better taste. I mean, to me it does. To me it does at least. If you're going for really high alcohol content, I mean, even that Axe Head one that I had was better. Um, but my buddies tell me that I had the wrong one, and that this is the one I want. It's been a while since I reviewed a 40. Um, this one was rolling around in the back of my pickup truck, so the label's a little beat up. You know, it's a little dirty. Um, but it's cold. It's been in my fridge. It says brace for smooth taste, and at the same time it says premium malt liquor, naturally brewed for a distinctive bold taste. I don't know how you're gonna make it a smooth and bold taste. Sounds almost scary, like smooth and bold, smooth and bold. Drinking straight corn syrup, that would be smooth and bold. But you know, we'll give her a shot. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be a little sweet. I don't know if it'll hold a candlestick to the 0800, but we're gonna give her a shot, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Top's just a boring Red H Hurricane. It's got a little deal there. It's got 40 fluid ounces. Got your warnings. Brewed and bottled by Anheuser-Busch. So maybe that'll take it back a step. I don't know. You know, I'm just not necessarily enthused, but hopefully it'll give me a buzz. Hopefully it'll be cold. Hopefully it'll be refreshing, and maybe it'll be good. Let's open it up. Nice sounding opening. Smell is surprisingly mild, especially compared to the other one I had. The color is pretty light yellow, pretty clear. You know, slight ambering to it, but nothing too severe. Wow, taste is much better than I thought it would be. Damn, I'm honestly very impressed with this. Good as Old English 800? Probably not. But, you know, well, let's see, how long ago did I open this? Let's see how fast I can drink this beast. Probably about, 30 seconds ago? Not even. We'll give her a shot. So from here, give her 3:15s when I started, or 3:10 when I started, I don't know. We'll see how long it takes me to drink it. Who knows, maybe I'll drink it fast enough to be cool. Whew. I know why Rugby likes 40 videos. They make you do that. Good stuff. That was Scorpions. Rock You Like a Hurricane. Good stuff. Um, yeah. Yeah, I seen one of these. God, I wish I remember the guy's name. I subscribed to him. A lot of his videos are really good. He was drinking a 40 and he let loose a rugby burp and he just literally puked good stuff. I mean, It was kind of a fail, but it was the most epic win in its own right. Yeah, you know what? This is going down incredibly good. I'd say that you're actually doing pretty good. It's a quart, which is obviously 40. Trying to see alcohol content. If any of you guys are watching this, or Logan's Farm, if you're watching this, you want to look this up and post it in the comment. I know that you might be interested enough to actually do it. Also, Logan, give her a shot. This is a Logan beer. Logan would drink this. I would say it tastes better than Beast Ice, personally. Probably doesn't have as much booze in it, though. It's probably a 5.0 beer, but I don't know. Maybe it's 5.8, 5.9 in that range. Who knows? Most malt liquors are usually higher booze, so who knows? This might be a good way to go for you, Logan. Yeah, nice and cold. Yep. There's some more. Yeah, I'm not gonna drink this really that fast. I could, but it's cold. It's almost giving me a brain freeze when I'm drinking it that fast. Then again, malt liquor's not really meant to be drank warm, so I'm not ever gonna try that. Yeah, but it could be done. Who knows? This is like $2 or $2.50, so it might just happen one of these days. You can't buy a quart of milk for, maybe you can. I don't know. I don't buy it by a quart, but a quart of milk is probably like just about $2. And this here is, $2, $2.50. Quart of milk. I'd say quart of milk is even more expensive than that. So if you guys buy your milk by the quart, post a comment. Let me know if you know what milk costs, because I think this is cheaper than milk, better than milk, and definitely fucks you up more than milk. Again, the high gravity one tastes like rotten milk, so don't do that. That's terrible. Yeah, pretty good. One problem I have with all 40s. Look at that mouth. That's small. You get this size cap and a Mickey's cap. I have one, but I don't have one here. But it's about that big. That's just for Mickey's grenade. Why can't we make our 40s have the same size mouth as our small bottles? I mean, honestly, this isn't much bigger than a regular beer bottle cap. I mean, it's probably about the same size opening in the top of the bottle. I mean, whatever. I guess I ain't too much of a complainer, but a bigger opening would encourage me to enjoy this more by slamming it without tasting it. I ate a lot of food, and it's about puking on me right now. Well, guys, about out of time on this video. I would say definitely give this one a shot. Much better than the high gravity. But as always, guys, have a good day.